Today, I'll be performing a thorax and lungs assessment.
Hello ma'am, I am Siti Sara Bungso. Ano po yung pangalan niyo ma'am?
Farnisa.
And ma'am, I will be performing a thorax and lungs assessment today. And I inquire you ma'am, may mga family history of illness ba kayo ma'am? Like cancer,
Wala po.
allergies,
Wala.
tuberculosis,
Wala din.
and lifestyle habits such as smoking and occupational hazard?
Wala.
Any medication being taken ma'am?
Wala din.
Current problems such as swelling, cold, wheezing, pain?
Wala.
Okay po ma'am. And so ma'am, now mag-expect po ako sa inyo ng safe and symmetry. So okay po ma'am, pwede po kayong tumalikod. So ma'am, mag-deep breath lang po kayo while may nose movement. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Okay. Okay na po ma'am. Ma'am, pwede po kayong umarap. And deep breath ma'am.
Minsan.